Another update for you. I want you to take a close look at your screen. Do you recognize the man you see here? Police in Flagler County say this may be a man whose remains were found at a construction site. This may be what he looks like, and they need help identifying him. Those remains were found by construction workers back in July at the Toscana community in Palm Coast. The Flagler County Sheriff's Office worked with the anthropology team at the University of South Florida to recover the remains and make these computer-generated images. They say the victim was a black or mixed-race man between the ages of 35 and 50. A cause has not been determined, and investigators don't know where he died. Foul play has not been ruled out. He does not match any missing persons cases in Flagler County. The next step, that's DNA testing. If you know anything about this man, if you recognize him, please contact the Flagler County Sheriff's Office. And now, former